The Oraimo Watch Muse has to be the best smartwatch from Oraimo currently, and in this video you would see why it's actually the best right now. The smartwatch comes with anti-scratch panda glass, 2 wrist strap, and it can last up to 10 days. The smartwatch looks premium, and in this video you'll find out if this smartwatch is worth buying because of its design or the function. The smartwatch is made of stainless steel, also has find my phone feature and a lot more. The Oraimo Watch Muse costs around 53,900 naira, and using my discount code GEEKDILINO you can break down the price even more. The discount code also works on all Oraimo products. It comes in a small packaging as usual. Inside the box you find the user manual, Oraimo Watch Muse, magnetic charging cable, and extra silicone watch strap. Oraimo did a good job adding extra strap to its packaging, and it shows they listen to users' complaints. The watch Muse looks really nice and have a round watch face design which is similar to Oraimo Nova R or the Samsung Galaxy Watch. The strap that comes with the smartwatch is made of steel and gives the watch a premium feel. But for me, I would prefer sticking with the steel strap instead of the other silicone strap, which is pretty common among other Oraimo smartwatch. Now would be a good time to hit that like button so YouTube can recommend this video to more people, and also subscribe if you wish to see more review on the next Oraimo products I purchase. This would help motivate me to keep producing quality content for you. The smartwatch is lightweight, meaning it shouldn't feel heavy on your hand. The anti-scratch panda glass is amazing. It protects the display, which should help maintain the watch face over time. The smartwatch comes with IP68 waterproof rating, which means they are good for sport activities, swimming, and exposure to light rain or sweat. It has 1.3-inch AMOLED display which allows you to get vibrant colors and faster refresh rates. The brightness auto adjusts smoothly, and it supports always on display without eating the battery. You can customize the watch face by selecting from 120 AI generated watch faces via the Oraimo Health app. The watch has 3 app view, cellular view, arc view, and 3D waterfall flow view. If you're not a fan of cellular and the 3D waterfall flow view, you might have issues navigating the watch, but the arc view is pretty nice. It would help you get familiar with the icons. Due to the animations on the watch, you get a 1 second delay when trying to navigate the smartwatch. You can turn it off if you wish to improve the navigation. It has 260 mAh battery that charges fully in 2 hours via the included magnetic cable and can last up to 10 days on normal usage. Well, for someone like me who always forget to charge my smartwatch, the duration is pretty decent. The battery capacity is lower than the Watch R, which is a turn off for me. I would have expected equal battery capacity or something a little above Oraimo's Watch R. Even with the battery capacity, this doesn't mean you won't get the best experience when using the smartwatch. Before you can answer or make calls directly on the smartwatch, you need to enable it by drawing the screen down and tapping on the call BT button. The call quality is not the best. The loudspeaker sound flat when answering calls via the watch, and you need to be audible and close to the mic so the receiver can hear you clearly. This isn't just a smartwatch that looks pretty. We also get the basic health monitoring feature you get on other Oraimo smartwatches: heart rate monitor, blood oxygen tracker, sleep analysis, and in addition you also get a weather forecast, which is really handy. You get 120 sports mode which covers outdoor walking, yoga, and a lot more. The smartwatch syncs data to view trends and set goals with the Oraimo Health app. I made use of the smartwatch for more than 2 weeks, tracking workouts accuracy, and it handled it pretty well. The smartwatch is not medical grade accuracy, but it handles casual athletes and wellness tracking effectively. If you're looking to sync data from the Oraimo Health app to your Google Fit, it's not possible at this moment. The Oraimo Watch Muse is a total game changer in budget smartwatch world from its design, display, and health feature. If you're looking for a smartwatch to make your outfit stand out well, then you should definitely get it. With 53,900 naira, you can get yours, but with my discount code GEEKDILINO, you can also reduce the price by 5%. The steel strap that comes with the watch is a big plus for the smartwatch. Tell me what you love about the smartwatch in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews, and also give this video a like so YouTube can recommend this video to more people. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.